everyone, welcome to the Net Academy. So in the previous video we have seen the history of Python and who has developed it and why we should learn the Python. In this session we are going to see the huge case of Python and what kind of application we can develop, and there are some real scenario where the company who are using Python nowadays in the industry. So we can see there are various kind of application and we can develop in the industry nowadays. So first one like web development, automation, data science, machine learning, network automation, and DevOps. So for web development, we have already there are some already popular framework known as Django, Flask, and Fast API. For the data science, we have the library called NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and for the machine learning, there are some library called TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and for automation, we have already there are some widely used framework like PyTest, PyATS. So this library are being this framework are being used to automate some of the manual test cases that we are going that manual test has to do daily to daily. So if we invest one time, if we do one time investment in automation, so we can automate the repetitive task and remaining time we can utilize it in other tasks. So there is a benefit of automation in the industry also as well. For the network nowadays, network engineer also nothing also learning the network automation because to avoid the manual configuration and to handle the large scale of devices where a single command or single configuration can handle the thousands of devices. So here the network automation is also helping. So for that we have like library called NetMiko, Paramiko, Napalm, and further than now that the DevOps application also being implemented and it is being automated for CI/CD by server automation and monitoring tool. For the cyber security, we have the inbuilt library called Escape, and now for the game development, we have the library called Pygame, and for the desktop application, there are some framework using like Tkinter and Pykit. So and for the cloud and application cloud and API is also being, so Python is being in to implement cloud and APIs. So that these are some huge huge real example and the use of Python in the industry. So these are the company who are currently using Python. Apart from this company, there are many companies who are using Python. For example, we can see the Google, Netflix, Instagram, Dropbox, Spotify. So as we can see now, why we should learn Python, because it is high demand in the industry, easy to learn, used in many domains, great for automation and scripting. So there are other more benefits once we start learning and doing the hands-on experience. We will able to get more familiarity with the syntax and logic and intention with the Python code. So thank you for that for this session. So next in the next session we will come with installing that existing tool like VS Code or PyCharm, and then we will start doing the hands-on coding with some simple example, and we will go from the basic from the easy to medium, medium to hard. So thank you for